Here we come to the elevator at the General Services Building at Texas Southern University in Houston, Texas. It's an Otis Lexan, nice! Installed in 1980. 82, actually. Lexan, Otis Lexan. Awesome! A little bit low on oil. Oh my gosh! Oh, the one is missing. I can't believe the one button is missing. That is something. Well, that is a safety hazard. Well, anyways, we'll get a cab view. But this is worth checking out. This is so worth checking out, y'all. This is awesome. But I can't even go back down to one. Look at... I now realize the one button is missing. I can't even go back down. Look at this. That is a serious safety hazard right there. The one button is... How could I get back down? These are the newer Lexan fixtures, which obviously have the GAL contacts. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call myself onto the first floor, and we'll go down. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna run down to the first floor, call the elevator, send it up, and I will press the call button from the first floor, and I'll run back up the stairs, and I'll get on the elevator and head back down. Is there a stairwell right? Oh, there it is. There's a stairwell right there. Oh, wait a minute. There's one more floor. Well, okay. I can't even believe that is pathetic that the one button is like literally missing with a hole right there. That is a serious safety hazard right there. I can't even believe I have to make this interesting video. Wow. As I looked, I almost thought this was gonna be modded on the inside, because when I saw the records, it said it was modded in 2001. Wait for it. All right, let's call it and run upstairs. As Andrew says, elevators is all about being healthy, so this is the perfect time to walk up the steps to chase that elevator. Oh, looks like the elevator just beat me. All right. Love that classic leveling. This is where I wish I had somebody to call the elevator for me from the first floor, because of that missing one button. That missing one button is a serious safety hazard, and probably against code violation. or against the elevator code. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it. A month and a half later, here we come to the main passenger elevator at the General Services Building at Texas Southern University in Houston, Texas. This is an Otis Lexan from 1982. Basically the oldest elevator in the whole entire campus because unfortunately the Terra Library is closed for either renovation or possibly getting demolished. So this is safely the only original elevator left in the whole entire campus, and probably now the oldest one. So let's ride, here we go. And from what I was told, that they also fixed the button that it was missing. Still got that classic leveling. Yep, they fixed it. Nice. Your floor, are you going up?
Yes. Y así fue como entró. A mí igual, a mí la muchacha que trabaja aquí, señora. Pero en la oficina, ella me llenó la aplicación, ella la metió y insistió hasta que me quedó.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look at this. They finally fixed that one button. I'm not sure I hear the motor silently going up. I mean, I already got a full sign list in the motor, so I could care less because I already filmed this thing before. That is one heaven of a classic leveling. Yep. Okay. Looks like this thing might be low on oil, I think. But let's see though. Definitely sounds like it's low on oil. The door close button works. I love that. That definitely sounds like it's low on oil. Or should I say, this elevator is certainly low on oil. But this is definitely worth filming. Kind of jolts a little bit going down a little bit, but it didn't stop with that big bang like it did on the service elevator. That scared the you-know-what out of me. All right, with that being said, there it goes, and that's currently the oldest elevator here at TSU. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.